everybody, thank you for joining me. I have a kind of exciting box today. I don't know if you remember, but a while back I got a box called the Inspo box. It was the company's very first box that they ever had, and it was really neat. I had a purse in there that I still use. There was a mug in there that I'm still using, and I said, well, this is the first box. Are they putting all their best stuff in the first box to get customers, to get attention? And I was wondering what the next box would be like. This is a bi-monthly box. It's in the $20 range. I will put up the information here because I can't remember off the top of my head. But here's the box. Again, they are still new, so I don't know if maybe down the road they will get more of a branding on their box, but they have a plain white box. Let me open it up. All right, we've got plenty of padding. Here's a sneak peek of what we have this quarter, or this bi-monthly. Let's start with this. This is a microfiber lavender velvet sponge. So we have a makeup sponge. It's by Juno & Co. Let me open her up. It said velvet, so it must be textured. Ooh, it's like flocked. Ooh, that's interesting. I wonder if what kind of texture that would give your makeup. Huh, we'll have to try that. I didn't used to use makeup sponges, and then I think it was my BoxyCharm. I got some Luxie sponges, and I absolutely love them. So that'll be exciting to try. It looks like there's a little instruction sheet in there. Neat. This doesn't come with a card or anything. Maybe that's something else that they could work on in the future, to have like a little info card. It just has, that's the only branding right there, is the My Inspo box. Okay, so here. For a while, a lot of the different beauty boxes were sending these, but I somehow got away from them. I never got one. So this is kind of neat because I don't have one of these. It says Aloha, Love and Happiness Jade Facial Roller. So that's cool. I'll probably use it maybe like when I do a face mask to roll it on, or when I put my serums on. It says that it reduces wrinkles and increases collagen, so I can try. I always need that, right? All right, next up. Oh, okay. This is another item that comes in a lot of subscription boxes. This is a Spongele body wash infused buffer, and this one comes in the scent Bulgarian Rose. I love rose scents, so that's good. I know a lot of people don't, but I do. And this is what it looks like. Yes, it's very strong rose scent, but I like it. Nice. I have one of these, but it's put up downstairs with all my other soaps. I haven't tried it yet, so I'll put this in the rotation and try that out. Next are two little sample packets. These are, it says restroom sanitizing, handcrafted lavender hand sanitizer. Well, that's appropriate. Hand sanitizer is hard to get a hold of nowadays, so well, it's nice to have these. You can throw them in your pocket or your purse, and when you're done shopping or whatnot, use that. That'll be nice. And a couple more things in here. This looks neat. This looks like a jewelry box. This has the same symbol as the jade roller, so this must be from Joy and Happiness. Ah, it's a watch. I have never gotten a watch from a subscription box before, and look at that adorable owl. So cute. It's got sparkly around his eyes. Oh, I like that. And it's not Joy and Happiness, it's Jessica Hart. Oh, I really like that. It's got rose gold hardware and like a rose buff colored band. Neat. I don't actually have a watch, which is weird, but I don't, so I'm happy to have that. Cool. Cool. All right, next up, I like getting cups. I can never have too many cups. I don't know if that's a nurse thing or it's just a lady. I don't know. It's just, everybody likes cups, so I don't know, but I love getting cups. This one is watermelon, which is appropriate for getting closer to summer. And it's just a plastic double-sided bottle with a straw. You like it? Jackie likes it. I might have to fight him for it. But very cute. Can never have too many cups either. And what is this? A little round tin. It says Besame? And it says brightening vanilla rose powder. Oh, cute. Look at the little poof. Oh, and it looks like it might be, oh, it comes, oh, that's nice. But it looks like it is literally rose colored powder. Would that leave your, let's try it and see if it leaves you pink. I am making a mess. Nope. It's not very strongly scented. That or there's something else on me that is making a scent. I think I might have gotten some of that essential oil on my nose. So there's that. We can try it out. It says apply evenly with a powder puff or brush. Oh, so it's for your face, for shine-free. Shine-free complexion. I literally made a mess with that. All right, and last but not least, I'm not mad, but almost every box that I get that's a beauty box comes with face masks. I'm getting quite the collection. Ooh, there's 3. These are Rose Hip Hydrating Sheet Masks by Body's Prescriptions. I always say subscription, like I'm going to go pick up my medicine subscription. It says skin is a beautiful thing, wear it well. So there's 3 of those. That's perfect because I have $2, so 1 for me and 1 for Em and 1 for Tren. And that's all that is in there. Let's do a quick review. We have the sheet masks. We have the watch, probably my favorite item. We have the jade roller. A makeup sponge. The setting powder. Hand sanitizer always comes in handy. Spun gel, which I'm sure I will love. And a cup. I could get a cup in every box and be happy. That's neat. What do you think of the Inspo box? Do you think it's going to be the next, the next in box to get? Have you ever gotten it? What do you think? Let me know what you think. I already said that in the subscription box. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.